Hello everyone, I am K.Sushanth studying in 10th class.
I am Navaneeth studying in 10th class.
I am D.Prem studying in 6th class.
We are studying in Sri Sarda Vidyanalayam. Now I am explaining the DI kit. DI means do it yourself. The drone name is DM002. Now my teammate will explain the drone parts.
This is drone manual. This is drone remote control. This is drone body. This is drone motherboard. This is drone battery clip. This is propellers. This is motors, and this is a drone battery. Now we will assemble the drone.
So this is the drone. Now we will show how it flies. This is about our drone.